Alright, my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. This is kind of an unbagging here, but today we're checking out a mask here. Excuse me. Alright, this is kind of a creepy mask. I got this off of Amazon for about $15. You guys can check it out there. I'll leave a link in the description below, but oh my, it's just kind of creepy. So this is the mask. Yeah, it definitely looks a little creepy. But anyways, this one comes with, it doesn't come with any batteries. You know what? I'm just going to throw some batteries in here real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so it takes a couple of AA batteries. Threw those in there real quick. And it has this little button here. Oh, it's kind of creepy. So it flashes. Push it once, it's on. Push it twice, it flashes slowly. 3 times, it flashes kind of rapidly. Let's turn the lights out here. All right. Ooh, that's actually kind of creepy. Let me see here. 1 second. Okay, that's my microphone's in my mask here, but it's kind of hot in this mask actually. I don't know if there's a mouthpiece here or not. But okay, that's a little creepy. Maybe if I put my hoodie on, it'd be more challenging, more scary. So there we have it. That's it. I will be doing kind of more of a review here after I check it out a little bit more, and maybe a demonstration in the darkness. I don't have a microphone hooked up to this thing, so I don't know how well you guys could hear me, but definitely kind of a creepy mask there. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and I'll be doing a second video review, and I'll leave that in the description below. You guys can check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.
Where'd you get that mask?
Hello again, friends. So, final thoughts on the creepy mask here. It's just pretty cool. Kind of creepy for sure. It does fit fairly well. It does have this adjustable strap in the back, a little bit of foam up here for your forehead. I recommend wearing like a beanie or something like I had on before. That's what I wear on underneath my helmet, and just putting that on. If you put also, if you have a hoodie or something to go on that covers this back part of your head while you're doing it, it looks like more, I don't know, more authentically creepy, I guess. I don't know how else to say it. One thing, it does get kind of hot in here when you got this mask on, and there's no real holes in here for breathing. So I'm probably going to drill a couple holes just in the teeth right here, and that way you get some airflow in there. So as you can see, there's not a lot of holes in the back. There's some little ones where the lights go through, but it does get a little warm in there when you're breathing. So like my mask here, this is all open, so when I'm breathing, it doesn't get all fogged up or anything. All in all, though, pretty cool little mask. I do like the lights. I like the little remote. It's pretty neat. And you can tuck this, like if you had a hoodie on, you could just run this wire down into your shirt and have it clip onto your pants there or whatever, right here with this clip. So pretty cool. I like the different modes there, the fast flashing. I tried to scare my son, but didn't work, as you see in the video there. I don't know why. It was a perfect setup. And then I crept up on my wife with this thing on, and kind of freaked her out. So different reactions, different people. Pretty neat little mask though. You can grab this off of Amazon for about $13. And I'll leave a link in the description below. You guys can check it out if you want to. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Everybody have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.